Girl birthday or whatever, so I'm like super excited. Hi guys, it's your girl Samerah today, and I'm back with another freaking video or whatever. So today guys, I am going to be doing a get ready with me video. Today is my freaking birthday. It's April 1st. I'm 26 years old, so I decided to do a get ready with me. I'm not going anywhere, but I do want to get dressed up, do my makeup, and feel pretty because I feel like I deserve to, and it's my birthday, and I'm going to take some bomb Instagram pictures. So I have my wine right here. If you guys know, do you know that Telesport is my fave? And I also have my hookah. So we're about to get started. Let's get into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this e.l.f. Hydrate and Face Primer, and I'm going to rub this all over my face. If you guys don't know, I have really dry skin, so hydration is a must. And plus, this makes my face feel really good, and e.l.f. products are very inexpensive. So yeah, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is for dry skin, and this is in the color 225, which is medium buff. I'm gonna begin to put this foundation all over my face. And I don't like a lot of foundation. I like my foundation to look like skin. Make sure I get under my neck. You do not want to look two-toned, okay? Absolutely love this foundation. I actually started using this after I've been watching Aaliyah J videos. She always talk about this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and she also has dry skin, so I'm like, let me give it a try because my skin is dry as fuck. Next, I am going to take my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is in the color Warm Beige, and I absolutely love this freaking concealer, okay? Like, this is the best concealer I've ever used. Like ever. Just gonna put it in the areas where I want to highlight. And I'm just gonna take my beauty blender again and blend this all out. So next guys, I'm going to be doing eyeshadow, and I don't really wear eyeshadow, but I decided to do eyeshadow tonight, so hopefully it comes out good because I'm not an eyeshadow person at all. So at first I'm going to be using this Urban Decay Naked palette, and it has like all neutral colors in here. And then I have this Victoria's Secret palette that my sister bought me like years ago, so I'm going to be using some pink eyeshadows out of here because the dress I'm going to be putting on is pink, so I'm going to be using like these colors right over here. So I'm going to start with the pink eyeshadow. I don't even know if you guys can see it. Probably should have put the eyeshadow on before I did my freaking foundation, but like I said, I don't really wear eyeshadow. I wasn't thinking, so here I am after I put my foundation on doing my eyeshadow. So now I'm going to be using this color Crave in the Naked Urban Decay palette, just to do it like a little smoky, nothing too dramatic, just a little smoky. I'm going to take a small brush and I'm going to put this in my crease. So guys, my camera died, so while my camera was charging, I decided to do my wing liner. I'm going to bake. I'm going to take this CoverGirl loose powder in the color 115. So while that is baking, I am going to begin doing my contour. So I'm going to be using this palette. I'm not sure where this is from. This is a gift and it has like different shades of nudes as well as like dark colors. And as you can see, this palette is done. So I'm going to be using either these two shades right here to do my contour. So now I'm just going to blend the contour out with my blending sponge. And then I'm also going to go on with a brush and continue to blend it out even more. Next, I am going to be blending out my contour, and I'm also going to be setting it with this little contour palette I got for the Low shade right here to set the contour. Next, I'm going to be taking my CoverGirl loose powder and I'm going to be going under my contour with it. I'm going to take my fluffy brush and wipe away all of this powder. Next, I am going to put on my highlight, and I've been using this highlighter by a makeup company called Makeup by Diddy. This is in the color Fierce, and I absolutely love this freaking highlight. Like, it is on. And I'm going to take this Victoria's Secret palette again that I have. It slides out. And it has like different colors for blushes and bronzers and stuff. So I'm going to be using one of these pink color of the blushes to add a little bit of blush. Hopefully it doesn't look too crazy. I haven't worn blush in like forever. Blend it all out, make sure everything looks good. And then I'm going to add the pink eyeshadow that I used earlier. I'm going to add that to my lash line. So I use these two colors of pinks. And then I'm going to be adding my mascara. The mascara I'm going to be using is from MAC. It is the Extreme Extension Black Light 888. So I'm going to be adding this, and I'm going to put my lashes on. So guys, I am going to do my lashes off camera because your girl needs to concentrate. So I'll be back once I get my lashes on. So guys, I have my lashes on. Now I am going to go ahead and do my lips. I'm going to do a nude lip. I'm going to be using this eyebrow pencil as a liner. comment below if y'all use y'all eyebrow pencil as a line, or is it just me? And then I'm going to be using this MAC lipstick. This is called Save Town, and it is a nude lipstick. So I've been like obsessed with nude lipsticks lately. Like I don't even like to wear color lipsticks anymore. I only wear nude. And then I'm going to take this pink lip gloss. I don't even know where I got this from. This is super old. It's almost gone. But it's like a pink lip gloss I'm going to put on top of the lipstick. So now I'm going to get started on my hair. I did film a video of this hairstyle. I did an extended ponytail. So that video probably, it may be up before or after this video. So I did an extended ponytail and I kind of did like a little curl so I can like have a little curl to it. So I'm just going to fix it and make sure my foundation is blended out into my edges. And I'm just going to fix the top part. So I had took like a piece of hair to wrap around so you won't see the tracks. So I'm just going to fix that part right here. And I'm going to be holding this part down with Got To Be Free spray. So I'm just literally going to spray it. And then wrap it around so that the tracks are covered. I'm going to spray it again. And wrap it. I'm just going to smooth it out. And the freeze spray is going to make this piece hard so it doesn't come loose. I'm just going to add a little bit more freeze spray up here to make sure that it is secured. And I'm just going to use my Got To Be glue to fix my edges a little bit. They're not really super messed up. And I'm also going to be using Murray's as well. So I'm going to use the Murray's first to kind of shape my edges, and then I'm going to use the Got To Be glue to make them hard and stay in place. So guys, I am all done with my hair and makeup. I'm about to throw on my outfit to give you guys the full look or whatever. But I'm so excited because it's your girl birthday or whatever, so I'm like super excited. So I'll be back once I put on my dress so you guys can get the full effect of the full look. So I'll be right back, guys. Guys, that is the end of today's video. Be sure to leave a comment, wish me a happy birthday. Be sure to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe and join the gang or whatever. And like I always say, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.